Hey everyone, this is Ubaid Badsha. Welcome back to my another new video. In this video, I'm gonna share with you about TopCashback. I already made multiple videos about TopCashback, how they are offering cashback offer. So here you can see that I got cashback offer from this retailers, from Hostinger and this VPNs as well. So the Hostinger I got almost 100% cashback from there. Most of them are getting 100% cashback, and I already claimed all of the cashback from here. As you can see that there is no painting because all of them I already claimed here. And in my last video, I made another one video how I make cash out from here, and then I will receive it on my Payoneer wallet. In Payoneer has USD bank account, so you can use your USD bank account details to withdraw your cashback from TopCashback to your Payoneer wallet, or if you have any other payment method as well, like PayPal, you can also use your PayPal wallet to get cashback from here. So they're collaborating with multiple companies. As you can see, I got this cashback offer on my Payoneer wallet, and here's another one. Okay, so I will also receive another one very soon. I will share with you, and once I received the cashback here, I will make another one video about it. Okay, so let me share with you from earning to, okay, not from cash out. As you can see, there has multiple payment method. You can use any of the payment method that you have. Okay, in my payment history, as you can see that I already received this amount 14 February, 26 January. You can see 14 February I received the money on 18 February, and 26 January I received it on today January. On they basically pay within 2 working days. Okay, so I will also receive the amount within 26th February, I guess. This one payment requested, so I will receive it soon, and I will make another one video once I receive it. So payment type is ACH bank transfer. So let me explain to you again how cashback work. As you can, when you I will also share the website details on my video description, so that you can also create an account. I also made the complete video how you can create account on TopCashback and how you can get cashback offer. In this video I will also purchase another one retailer to claim cashback. I will also share with you in details. As you can see, there are too much popular companies are listed here, like Canon and so much popular companies. If you wanted to purchase anything, then you can use it using TopCashback, so that you will get some extra benefit, like some extra cashback from here. Like they are offering as $101 cashback. You can also filter it to get more cashback. Like I'm gonna purchase from tech categories. You can categories from here you can select which categories you want to purchase. From tech categories, I'm click on all tech. Okay. As you can see, the top popular companies are listed here: Walmart, Best Buy, Amazon. Lots of popular companies are listed here. They are offering cashback. So from popularity, we can also click on highest percentage to get most highest percentage of cashback. As you can see that fastest VPN is offering 101% cashback. I already got this amount, and there's an interesting thing is that fastest VPN, when I purchased this VPN, and at that time I had to pay them in manual ways, and that's why it's not tracking the purchase. After that, when I contact with them Top Cashback about it, then after that they paid my they claimed, they accepted my claim, and they offered the cashback, which is very interesting. So they are very customer friendly, I should say, about it, because they are accepting our request. Once we place any issue, then you can contact with them. If you fail to receive any cashback, then you can contact with them. They will fix it if you give them proper documents. So this time I'm gonna purchase from ExpressVPN. They're offering 100% cashback. Let's see also Sepshare one. I need to check which one is best. They're offering 101% cashback only for 1 month plan. For 1 year plan, they are offering 80% only. So that's why we will not use this one. We need 100% cashback. So ExpressVPN, let's check this one. As you can see that they are offering 100% cashback. The requirement is any plan, 12 months plan subscription, 6 month plan subscription, or 1 month subscription. Whatever you purchase, you will get 100% cashback. So we need this one. Okay, so that's why we're gonna use this one, ExpressVPN. And you can also check their other requirements as well. Add-ons are not eligible for cashback. You just need to purchase the plan only. If you wanted to purchase any add-ons, then it will not eligible for cashback. Okay, and use of a coupon code not displayed on. If you use any coupon code that are not displayed from TopCashback, you can't use it. You have to use only TopCashback coupon code. And there are some terms. Cashback is calculated by the item price and does not include tax. Okay, fine. All products you must begin your purchase with an empty shopping cart. That's when you have to purchase from empty shopping cart. If you wanted to purchase any multiple things at a time in your cart, that time it will not work. So you have to follow the terms clearly. Missing cashback claim only submitted 95 days after the order date. Okay, fine. So yeah, you can read all of the requirements, and there are some information. As you can see that how they are offering cashback. So they said that we last received a payment from ExpressVPN in November 25 for members transaction November 25. Very good. So they are offering cashback within 1 month, which is very good. And they are tracking reliability. It's almost 95%. So almost 95% of cashback are tracking automatically. You don't have to claim for this. They will automatically pay you. Sometimes it can be missed, then it's only 5%. Then you have to submit for manual claim. And missing cashback claim, you can also, if you miss your cashback, then you can claim it, and there is an option to submit a claim. Okay, within 100 days of purchase. Very good. So everything is okay. So we're gonna use this one, get 100% cashback. And make sure that once you click on it, you have to purchase from here, not from another one, because they are tracking your purchase. And as you can see that we have also an add-on extension, TopCashback extension. Here you can see the cashback is activated. So that's mean we have to purchase from this page. And as you can see that we have recorded your visit, so we have to purchase from here. Okay, so here's the things. All of the things are here. Get ExpressVPN. Okay, we are clicking on Get ExpressVPN, and there has multiple plans. This one is most popular plan. So let's use this one. And here it's 2 year plans, but we're gonna purchase for 1 year only. 12 months plus 3 months offer. For 12 months it will charge 94 something. Okay, so we need to provide our payment method here. After that we need to confirm it. So let me complete the payment details from here, and after that I will come back to you again. Okay, I just paid here, purchase it, and they said that your account has been created successfully. Check your email. Okay, let me check my email to activate it. Okay, I received an email from ExpressVPN. I need to activate from here. So let me activate it. Okay, I put a password and click on set password. Okay, here are subscription details. Okay, here are subscription details for 1 year plan, and my account is activated, and I will also get these features with this plan. 14 days of simultaneous connections, and I will receive also advanced protections, block ads, trackers, malicious site, and more. Express mailguard, express keys, and holiday.com coupon as well. And they also offer dedicated IP, that I will also get a dedicated IP from here. So my ExpressVPN is now working, activated properly. So I will receive, after that I will also receive the cashback within 1 or 2 months. So this is how I will use as ExpressVPN almost for free, because I will also receive 100% cashback, that I was spent to that I spent to purchase the VPN. I will also receive it again. So look like I will use it for completely free. So if you wanted to get um, cashback offer from TopCashback, I will also add my video how you can get TopCashback offer. This is how you have to just create an account first. I will also add the link in the description box. You have to create an account. After that you will get cashback like this way. You just need to select the retailers and purchase from this through TopCashback offer, so that they can track your purchase. After that they will provide the um, they will provide your cashback offer to your earning sections. Here it will show up here. And somehow if you don't receive it, then you can claim it. You can claim your cashback. So this is how you can do this. If you face any issue, feel free to message me. That's all for today. Thank you so much.